This is what Jaclyn eats. A short to give you ideas to pack lunches for picky eaters. Today for lunch we have a cutie, one of Jaclyn's favorites. The bread dippers, Jaclyn always requests one. Flavored blasted goldfish. We get these at our bulk store. And then Jaclyn wanted some of the leftover chicken and stuffing in her lunch. And I gotta see if I can pack ketchup, otherwise she can have ketchup from school. They have packets of chocolate milk, a Rice Krispie treat. It's the M&M one. And put everything back in the bag. If you put leftovers in your kids' lunch, comment below and let me know. And what types of leftovers do you send in? Don't forget, when we get to 700, and we're almost there, we're going to issue out 2 $10 Dollar Tree gift cards. One for new subs, one for comments. If you comment, you must already be subscribed. If you are new, you must comment you are new, and you must both be a U.S. resident. Also, I need 6 more subscribers to give out the closet organizer from Dollar Tree. I have 2 of them give away, one for new subs, one for comments. Same rules apply. All that information will be in my description box down below.